meds didn't work? What makes you think this well?
It couldn't hurt if you tried.
Hi.
Mark, what's wrong? You sound worried.
Sheila? I just don't feel the same about our relationship as I did before.
What do you mean?
I just can't do this anymore.
Mark, what are you saying? Please don't talk like that. I love you.
I just can't go on pretending. It's not right.
Mark, I just don't know what I'm going to do. I'm really confused. Please, don't leave me now. I need you. Please, Mark, I love you.
I'm sorry. Things like this happen. This had to happen.
You can't do this to me. Mark, I'm going to kill myself. I can't live without you.
Sheila? Please, don't do anything rash. Sheila? Wait.
Goodbye, Mark.
Sheila, no!